Can I get a picture?
So they reduced the price of this
Can I get a
iPhone
picture?
by
Can I get a
$200.
picture, Mommy?
100.
Can I get a
100, I
picture?
bet it's 200.
You get a refund.
You get a $100 refund.
No, you get a $100 gift card to Apple.
I want to get a picture though.
That's what I mean, $100 whatever.
Well, no, people who bought it from August 22nd on get a $100 back. People who bought it before that only get a $100 gift card to City Cash.
But now so now it's $100 cheaper.
But now the phone's $100 cheaper.
What? It's $200 cheaper.
It's $200
What you
cheaper.
got $3.99 now instead of 5 cents.
Oh my gosh, that's
Really? I thought it was just $100 they reduced it. That's why they were giving $100.
That's why everybody's so mad.
Well,
Okay, that's enough, honey.
it was bound,
For not waiting.
it was bound to happen sooner or later.
It's kind of soon though.
Yeah, it's
It
not
is
even a couple months out, and they've already,
Well, what they did, they made that first initial sale of everything, and now they've got to get back down on line with what they want.
jobs.
That's how they do it though.
I knew I should have bought that stock right before.
Where's the stock's been taking a big beat.
No, when it first came out, ever since this deal announced, yeah.
I don't want one.
This deal, I think.
Yeah, no, you're